what's poppin'? You know, man's on his way to go help a friend build his computer, you know what I'm saying? And I'm on his way to his house. Yeah. I also forgot to mention that we started building the PC. I didn't even intro it. I'm like being dumb. I don't know why, but you know, we continue on with the time lapse. Let's get it. We got the PC done, you know what I'm saying? Only thing missing, we got the...
Need the fans.
Need the fans.
Windows.
Windows.
Put the power supply in. So I mean, we could test it just to run it. But I'm not going to be able to do anything with it.
Yeah.
That's so gay. And now I gotta wait another week for it to come in.
For what?
He's gotta get
The operating system?
Yeah.
Like if you find a flash drive?
Oh, that's it? We just gotta find a flash drive? Oh, say less.
Yeah.
Oh, I was tripping.
We don't got a flash drive. Are you kidding me? Another time lapse, man. I just be springing these time lapses on you guys. You know what I'm saying? Like next time I'll let you know. There's gonna be multiple time lapses, so you know. Here's another time lapse. Let's get back into it. Yeah. So, what do you want to say?
We got the power supply screws, so we gotta go to Walmart and get some.
Yeah, well, we had so many complications. We don't have the screws for the fan. We don't have screws for the power supply, even though it should have came with the power supply. Yeah. Here's the problem. You see this guy right here? This guy's name is Nidal, right? Yeah, he left them in the bag. He left the screws in the bag. You see, I'm stuttering right now because I'm angry. I'm angry right now, you know? You know what? Let's just continue on with the video, you know? You know? Dang.
Do you think 25 is enough? Pretty sure 25 is enough. Alright, get it on, you change. I just need to put it down. Like,
No.
Putting a hoodie. No, fine.
Yo.
Watching, man.
See no changes. Wake up in the morning and I ask myself.
I don't know how I'm gonna do this. You know what I'm saying? We on Walmart, you know. We litty out here. We about to get some screws.
Yes, sir. Fucking flash drive.
Yeah. Mission failed. Trying to find the flash drive, but we couldn't find the screws.
Fuck Walmart. Some dumb shit with not accepting cash.
That's good.
Day 2.
Day 2.
Yo, we got bag secured, Nidal.
Huh?
No, we got bag secured.
We got the flash drive, we got some I don't know, bread.
Alright, came back from Walmart. You got the bag. I don't even know if I'm gonna put this in because I already.
Yeah.
But you know, just in case. Alright, we at the crib. No, but Brandon wasn't here. I gotta do it again.
Because you said it wasn't, so we didn't look. It doesn't matter. We're both. But still.
We found the screws to the power supply. Because this man didn't. He said they were in there. Moment of truth. Are you excited, man?
Huh?
You excited?
Yeah. It's not gonna work. Oh, there you go.
Oh yeah. Well, hold on. This is for the camera, man. Dang.
How do I turn the lights on? All right.
Hey,
Appreciate y'all,
computer
fellas.
is done. Yeah.
Appreciate y'all, fellas.
Yeah. Alright, update.
Hey, give me.
We got Windows installed.
Oh, we don't have
right
like
now.
another HDMI.
We gotta get the activation code.
Yeah, so we're currently waiting for Windows to download. We got the whole setup here. This ginormous case. Yo, how you feel, man? With the new PC?
It's crazy, bro.
Uh, you know, looking for wallpapers. Got the keyboard, the mouse. Got this ginormous case. Like,
It's gonna like fall on me when I sleep.
like, look, you see his hand? Hand on the computer, and look at the case.
You got a big hand, you know, big hands.
No.
Yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video. I appreciate you watching it, and you know, to see our friend's journey on building a computer. And don't forget to leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe as well. Subscribing will make my day. Any subscriber will actually make my day. So yeah, I appreciate you watching the video. Have a good one, and peace out.